Text of the press conference addressed by the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON, River State Chapter, on the 8th day of May 2024, over the illegal withholding of local government funds by the River State government. Gentlemen of the press, it has come to the notice of our Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON, River State Chapter, that the River State government, under the leadership of His Excellency, Sir Fubara, GSS ROS, has neglected, failed, and deliberately refused to hold the statutory Joint Account Allocation Committee meeting, JAC, which is a prerequisite for the release and disbursement of funds due to the local governments in the State Joint Local Government Account, and has continued to withhold the statutory allocation due to the 23 local government councils of River State since the month of April 2024, and in the case of Emohua, since March 2024, till date for no just cause, thereby starving the third tier of government of the funds required to discharge its statutory functions in the administration of the local government areas. It has also come to our notice that the governor of River State held a meeting with heads of local government administrations, head of personnel management, treasurers of local government, and other directors on Monday, the 6th day of May 2024 in Government House, Port Harcourt, whereat he directed them to go and compile for presentation to him of the salary vouchers and overheads of civil servants, excluding chairmen, vice chairmen, councillors, and other political office holders for the various local governments, with a view to unlawfully dipping his hands into local government funds to pay staff salaries directly without involvement of the democratically elected local government council chairman. In other words, the governor of River State is seeking to proscribe the system of local government by democratically elected local government councils, which is guaranteed under Section 7 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. This action is tantamount to an illegal proscription of the local government councils by a governor who had recently announced that the members of the River State House of Assembly are non-existent and exist merely at his convenience and mercy. These are clear signs that River State is on the verge of being plunged into the dark ages of totalitarianism and autocratic rule under His Excellency Sir Fubara. This conduct of the River State government, which smacks of executive high-handedness and lawlessness, is not only despicable and unconscionable in a democratic setting, but it also unconstitutional, given the clear provisions of Section 36, 7, and 162 of 1999 Constitution as amended, which not only guarantees the system of local government by democratically elected local government councils across the Federation of Nigeria, including River State, but which also vests the local government councils with the right to receive statutory allocation from the Federation account paid through the State Joint Allocation Account. We are aware that as far back as the year 2004, the Supreme Court of Nigeria had determined in its landmark judgment in the case of Attorney General of Lagos State versus Attorney General of the Federation 2004, LPELR 10 SC 118, that the withholding of local government statutory allocation is wrongful and unconstitutional, and that the 1999 Constitution as amended has vested any power or on the president or the state governors to withhold local government funds for any reason whatsoever. It is worrisome that the governor of River State, who took the oath of office and swore to uphold the law and constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, will stoop so low as to resort to such undemocratic and unconstitutional means to strangulate the third tier of government with a view to achieving personal political ends and without minding the dire consequences which his action portends not only for the system of local government administration in River State, but also for the welfare of the local government employees and the good people of River State who live in the various local government areas and deserve the dividends of democracy. It is even more worrisome to note that the governor of River State took the decision to withhold the statutory allocation in this case in flagrant violation of the subsisting interim order of the Federal Court, Quorum Honorable Justice J.K. Omotosho, entered in suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/ 537/2004 on the 2024 on the 25th day of April 2024, which mandated all the parties to the suit, including Rivers State government, who is the seventh defendant therein, to maintain the status quo and not to take any steps that will render the pending motion for interlocutory injunction before the court nugatory. In other words, the governor of Rivers State is not only willing to treat with levity his sworn oath of office to uphold the law and constitution, but is also determined to denigrate the sanctity of the authority of the judicial arm of government by flouting and disobeying court orders at will. This is rather disturbing and most unfortunate, not only because it portends grave dangers for our national democratic experiment, but also because it imperils the lives and welfare of Rivers people. The governor of Rivers State needs to be reminded that the Federal Republic of Nigeria operates a constitutional democracy founded on the principles of the rule of law and not the rule of the mighty. The governor needs to be reminded that withholding the statutory allocation of local government councils in Rivers State will make it impossible for the salaries and emoluments of local government employees, including primary health workers, to be paid as at when due. The governor must know without withholding local government allocation will handicap the local government councils and prevent them from discharging their primary responsibilities of local government administration at the grassroots, which includes welfare of the people in the areas of sanitation, security, and public health sectors. We therefore call on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the federal government to intervene by calling the governor of Rivers State to order with a view to avoiding breakdown of law and order in Rivers State. We call on the honorable members of the Rivers State House of Assembly to take appropriate steps to check the excesses of the governor of Rivers State and ensure the survival and sustenance of democratic institutions in Rivers State. We call on all well-meaning Rivers people and Nigerians in general to join in condemning the unlawful withholding of local government funds by Rivers State government as undemocratic, unconstitutional, and retrogressive. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live the Rivers State of Nigeria. Long live the local governments of Rivers State of Nigeria. We thank you, gentlemen of the Fourth Estate of the Rim, for your attention and patience. Signed by the 21 local government chairmen of Rivers State.
Mayor, you may need to read out the 21.
Signed by Honorable Orwell Ihunda, the chairman of ALGON Rivers State chapter, and the mayor of Port Harcourt City local government. Honorable George T. Ariolo, deputy chairman of ALGON Rivers State and chairman of Obiakpo local government. Honorable Barelomati Olo, secretary of ALGON Rivers State, the chairman of Eleme local government. Chief Honorable Erastus Awotu, PhD, legal advisor of ALGON Rivers State, chairman Andoni local government. Honorable Vincent Nemebuka Esquire, publicity secretary ALGON Rivers State and the chairman of Ogubolo local government. Honorable Roland Sekebo, PhD, treasurer ALGON Rivers State and chairman Akokotoro local government. Honorable Confidence Deko, the welfare secretary of ALGON Rivers State. Honorable Chidi Lloyd, PhD, chairman Emoha local government. Honorable Thomas Barere, PhD, chairman Kana local government. Honorable Dr. Samuel Wanozike, chairman Ikwere local government. Honorable Benjamin Israel Eke, chairman Ahoda East local government. Honorable Hopi Kriko, PhD, chairman Ahoda West local government. Honorable Akoru Tobin, chairman of Kreka local government area. Honorable Christian Waiwu, chairman Omoma LGA area, local government area. Honorable Daniel Enanapola, chairman Abuoda local government area. Honorable George Oningofori, chairman Asaretoro local government area. Honorable Michael John Williams, chairman Degema local government area. Honorable Obin Nayanwu, chairman Eche local government area. Honorable Vincent Job, chairman Oboebo Mandoni local government area. Honorable Kechuku Akara Wogu, chairman Oibo local government area. And Honorable Mbakone Friday Okpe, chairman Tai local government area. all in Rivers State. Thank you and God bless us. Salaries of local governments, both the workers and political office holders and appointees have not been paid for the month of April. And of course, you know that when salaries are not paid, the workers and of course all the people affected cannot feed their families, cannot pay hospital bills. Those that their rents are due cannot even pay their rents. So it has an adverse negative impact on the people. And most importantly, our security votes are not released. These are what we use to protect the place. So it has an adverse effect on us. Then on the issue of the call by the Speaker and the State House of Assembly, by the APC people, yes, if the governor has refused to live up to his expectation, then it's expected that some drastic measures should be taken against the governor of the state.
Exactly.
And that she should be called to order. And that is what APC is actually doing.
Okay,
because APC as an opposition party to the ruling party in the state, which is the PDP, their duty is to checkmate the activities and excesses of the governor in office. So they are called by the State Assembly is not out of place.
In the Constitution and in the local government law of Rivers State, I've said until elections are done, these local governments will stay in office for another 6 months in the interim. So as a matter of fact, we as local government chairmen, we are going to remain in office because the law says so. The recently amended law, local government law, that creates and provides for tenure and functioning of local governments in Rivers State, as empowered by the Constitution, has given us an additional 6 months period, and we will remain in the office until that period expires.
For us to have the All Progressives Congress begin to poke their hands into the governance of Rivers State is something that is very sad. There are clear separation of powers, as you may know. We are a third tier of government. We are not a ministry under the governor. And this espouses the need for true autonomy of local governments.